Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I am here with a very exciting video. So today I am in Mumbai and you know Mumbai is famous for many things and especially the space crunch. So right now I am at Urban Pod, which is India's first pod hotel, which is located in Mumbai. I'll give all the links in the description box as well as the address.
Urban Pod is located in Andheri and it is quite close to the international airport as well.
Urban Pod is known for its pod hotels in which you get a single pod with all the facilities inside it and you just don't need to worry about anything. Also, it is at quite affordable rates. Here at Urban Pod we have all the pods right here as you can see behind me, and these are single pods, and specifically the block which I am in, it's known as the women's special block. Also we have a general block. In the women's pod they're specifically made for women, so if you're someone who's a single traveler and if you don't feel safe you can just come here. So let's have a look at the pods.
Once you enter into your block, the first thing that you see here are the lockers. So if there's any luggage or anything that you don't need to carry to your pod, you can just keep it safe in the lockers.
So here are all the pods as you can just see.
So once you check in, you get this card and you can just unlock your pod with the card. So this is my pod and let's just go inside it. On entering, you can just switch on the lights and there are many options for lights as well. You have the mirror lights and the normal lights.
So currently I am in the pod which is allocated to me. So right here we have the entrance. As you can just see, this is the door. Also, do you know one more interesting thing about this pod? This is the same pod which was used during the shooting of Sacred Games, where you saw Saif Ali Khan in this pod. So this is actually that same pod.
Let me show you the inside view of the entire pod, and this is how it actually looks like.
So you get all the facilities in a single pod and it's just amazing. Let me show you all the facilities that are available right here.
Just below the mirror we have this light panel that you get reading light and mirror lights. Then we have a switch for sleep mode, headphone plug and the USB plug. Then we also have this digital clock right here, and then we have this power socket of 220 volt. Again we have the reading lights and the mirror lights. Then we have a switch for air outlet because it's air conditioned pod, and then we have headphone and USB plug. So we can say that the pod is well equipped with charging points and power plugs. So if you're someone who is working and need to charge your laptop or phones, you won't face any issues. And right below that we have this small safe where you can just lock your cash or important things and protect it with password. And I was definitely obsessed with this huge circular mirror that we have in center. And right here is our very cozy and soft blanket.
So here we also have a fire extinguisher. Right here we have headphones, and let me just show you. So these headphones also have this mesh covers along with it, so if multiple people are using it, it's also very safe. Also there's no contamination, so that's really amazing that you get these covers along with headphones, and it's really safe to use and you can just hear to your favorite music using this. That's it. Also we have a smoke detector right here, and so that's really safe. We have two air outlets right here, so it's not at all suffocating if you're visiting here. Also the space is small but you get a lot of facilities inside, and that's not it, we also have a TV here.
So here's our TV and you get a lot of channels. You can just watch it and be entertained during your free time, and how amazing is that? This is how the pod looks like in sleep mode.
Also for the women's pod you have a separate ironing board right here, so if you want to iron your clothes you can just do that. We have this full size mirror right here. Here we have the washing area as you can just see, And here's a full-size mirror. Also right here we have separate washrooms in the women block so that you don't need to go out. Also there is a facility of cafeteria right here, so if you're someone who wants to have lunch or dinner, you can just have it in the cafeteria, and you can also work along because it has very nice ambience.
So this is the cafeteria that I was talking about. It is located outside your block. So once you step out, you'll see this cafeteria. Also, you can see this separate sitting arrangement also. And you can just work along here and you can just have your lunch and dinner. You can see there are many dishes available and the ambience is quite peaceful and soothing.
Also, these are the single pods. You also get a private pod, which is a suite pod, and it has more space than the singular pods. Also, as these pods accommodate only one person, you can just maintain your social distancing, and also they sanitize the entire pod every day, so it's really safe during this pandemic times also. And you can just see how clean it is. If you're someone who's coming in Mumbai and you don't know where to stay, also if you're alone, you can just come and stay here at Urban Pod. And also it's really safe as they also have a women's block in it where you have only women pods. So if you're someone who's traveling alone, and you don't need to worry about it because you're just so safe here. So I just love this place. The atmosphere here is quite amazing, and especially the concept of this entire pod is really good. You have all the lightings, you have all the charging facilities, you also have a cafeteria, you get a safe, and especially this whole experience is just worth experiencing. So you just need to come here and stay here for one day. Also it's quite affordable if you are a student or if you're a teenager who's coming here for 1 or 2 days, and if you just want a place to stay at night or for a really short time, you can just come and stay here. So that's about this pod. I really loved being here, and it's a very good experience. If you're visiting Mumbai, it is in Andheri. I'll leave the link in the description box, and I just loved the place and it's worth staying once. So definitely go and check this out, and see you guys tomorrow in my next video.